Hey there, everyone! Today, we are comparing two of the best espresso makers on the market right now. On the left, we have the Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker, and on the right, the Brim 19-bar espresso machine. We will be evaluating them on various categories and compare them side by side. If you are interested in finding out which one is the best pick for you, make sure to watch till the end. Now let's get started. When it comes to price, the Cuisinart EM-200 is definitely the more affordable option, with a price tag of $249. On the other hand, the Brim 19-bar espresso machine is priced at $369. However, the Brim espresso maker comes with some extra accessories, which makes it worth the price, but ultimately it depends on your budget and requirements. Both machines have impressive bar pressures, with the Cuisinart EM-200 offering 15 bars of pressure and the Brim 19-bar espresso machine offering 19 bars. When it comes down to it, the extra 4 bars on the Brim espresso maker do make a noticeable difference in espresso extraction. Both machines come with steam nozzles, making it easy to craft cappuccinos or lattes. However, the Brim 19-bar espresso machine comes with a commercial-style 360-degree swivel-action dry steam wand for cafe-quality texturized microfoam. This means that it has an upper hand in terms of milk frothing capabilities. The Brim 19-bar espresso machine comes with more accessories, including a portafilter holder, 1 and/or 2 cup filters, pressurized and non-pressurized, a 12 ounces stainless steel milk frothing pitcher, filter cleaning tool, metal tamper, and measuring scoop. The Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker does not come with these extras, but it does offer pre-programmed cup sizes. The Brim 19-bar espresso machine is designed with the idea of creating a true artisan experience while brewing coffee. It seeks to simplify the process while maintaining the sophistication of the craft. In comparison, the Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker is a more straightforward, programmable brewer, with no extra features needing your attention. Alright folks, that's a wrap for our comparison of the Cuisinart EM-200 espresso maker and Brim 19-bar espresso machine. It all depends on what you are looking for in an espresso maker. If budget is your top priority, the Cuisinart EM-200 could be the one for you. But if you are looking for the complete coffee brewing experience, the Brim 19-bar espresso machine is the clear winner. Don't forget to give this video a like, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more videos like this in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you soon.